There are 2 grease zerks on the 100V series models. Those 2 zerks are going to be for the front casters on each side. Grease intervals for the front wheel bearings is every 8 hours on each grease zerk, every 8 hours. And then also tire inflation will be 12 psi for the front casters. The blade spindle are maintenance free. No greasing is required. In place of the grease zerk is a plug. So again, no service required, no greasing required on the blade spindles on the 100V series models. The rear drive tires, inflation of the rear drive tires is 8 psi for the proper tire inflation of the drive tires for the 100V.